Good morning, students. My name is Mr. Boswick, and I'll be your presenter for today's mathematics class. So to let us get started, we're going to look at a little shopping list, and you're going to help us to figure out how much money the person is going to pay. So let us get started. We are told that the table below shows a shopping bill at a local mini mart. The items are Milo 3-in-1 mix, Distinction milk, and this person is going to buy at the mini mart because they are making breakfast. Now the quantity, they are buying 4 Milo 3-in-1 mix. The price for one is $4.95. Distinction milk, they are buying one, and that price is $2.90. Quickly take out your calculators. I need you to tell me how much money the individual will have to pay for the 4 Milos that they are buying at $1.95. Okay, I see a hand there. Can I hear what you said? Okay, that is correct. So you said $7.80. Well done. Now, if we are buying one Distinction evaporated milk at $2.90, how much will that be? Yes, the hand in front, $2.90. So, what will be the cost for the items that the person is buying? Can someone tell me quickly what will be the total cost? How much you'll be paying? Okay. I'm not hearing you. You said $10 and how much? 70 cents? Okay. So $10.70. That's the amount that we'll have to pay. Now when you go to the mini mart to shop class, what do you usually pay with? Do you pay with a credit card every living day? Or do you actually buy with cash, the money right inside of your wallet? Let me hear what you have to say. Okay, so you pay cash, and sometimes you trust them. Okay, fortunate to be trusting in this day and age. Now, when we are buying items, not all the time we can pay cash. Let us look at these images, and I need you to figure out what other means we can buy these items by. The first one, we have a bed, and it costs $650. Let us look at the second picture. Pay attention to the price, $650. A stereo set, $2,299, and that is cash. Next picture, let us look and see what it is. A dining set, $2,599. And what's the next one? I know that would have catch your attention, smartphone. You all like the latest of the latest, but look at the price. $3,105. That's more than most person's salary. Now, by show of hand, how many persons in this class can buy those items on the spot? By a show of hand. So only 2 students. Okay. So in reality, not many persons can purchase these items with cash. So the question to the class is, what other means can we buy these items, most of which are essential, like for instance a bed if you are furnishing a house, as well as certain persons, they might more go towards the cell phone because they need the latest technology in their pocket. I need to think carefully. Which method will you use to buy these items if you can't afford the cash? Think about when you go to Courts, Singer, and OT. What method can you use to good? Hire purchase. Now a question to you, the students. What is meant by the term hire purchase? One person said they heard it before. What is meant by the term hire purchase? I'm going to give you 30 seconds to think of it. Okay, you have 20 seconds now. Hire purchase. Think of it. Okay, you have 5 seconds remaining. I hope you are putting your thoughts together. Good, now we'll take it. What did you say? So you're paying some money. Excellent, you're paying some money. Purchase. Then we're going to deduce a formula for finding the higher purchase price. And we're going to see how we can use the concept of higher purchase to deduce this formula. And then the third part, we'll be looking at solving problems involving higher purchase. So let us continue. What is higher purchase? One person said it involves paying money. Anything else? You said pay the remainder? Okay. So pay the remainder. Or I'll say remaining balance. Now, hire purchase is a process whereby a purchaser, so you, the person buying, pays an initial deposit. So this way you come in, you're paying some money, that's the initial deposit. And sometimes they call deposit down payment. So you need to know that as well. You can either hear deposit or you'll hear down payment. And you pay the balance in a series of monthly or weekly installment. So if you go by quotes and you check out the price for an item, the item might value a high price that you can't necessarily afford on the spot. And in order for you to pay it, you need to make a down deposit or a down payment along with the outstanding balance by means of installments over a period of time. Now, based on that definition that we're able to use, or the concept of hire purchase, can anyone in the class come up with a formula for us to find the hire purchase price? Telling me we have to use our deposit. So HP is equal to our deposit. What else? Good. So it's our deposit plus our total installment. Thank you very much. So now take note of that formula. Hire purchase is equal to our deposit plus our total installment. So that's our hire purchase price. Take note of that, because very soon we are going to solve problem involving hire purchase. So you need to make sure you have that formula written down in your book. You have 30 seconds remaining to get that formula down. I see some of you are writing very slow. Okay, so we're going to continue. You can get it from the person sitting next to you. Yes, let us move ahead now. This type of board, you know. Now, the cash price of a camera is $450. It can be bought on hire purchase by making a deposit or a down payment of $90 and 12 monthly installments of $34.50 each. Now in this example, we are asked to calculate the total hire purchase price of the camera. Now, pay attention, it is worth 2 marks for part A. And part B, it asks us the amount saved by buying the camera at cash price. So if we are to find the total hire purchase price, we are told that our hire purchase price is equal to our deposit plus total installment. Right? So we are doing part A. We need to make sure we have 2 things. How much is our deposit class? How much is our deposit? $90. Excellent. You guys are paying attention. Well done. Now we need to find out about the total installment price. Now, 50? Okay. And you're going to tell me how much you get. So 12 times 34.50. Put it into your calculator. Miss Anthony, try again. Take your time. 12 times $34.50. Try again, Miss Anthony. Go try. Let us see if we can get the correct answer. 12 multiplied by 34.50. $12 times 34.50. Let us see who can get that answer. Take your time. 12 times 34.50. Yes, 12 times 34.50. What is our answer? Mr. Bowie, Miss Bowie, thank you. We need our answer now. What will the answer be? Excellent, Miss Antonia, like that. You redeem yourself. So it'll be $414. Now remember, our total hire purchase price will involve our deposit plus our total installment. So now we need to do something to these two. Look carefully at our operation. We have to add. Correct. So our hire purchase price is equal to our $90 plus our $414. And what will that be? What will that be? Yes. So, Miss Bowie, it's our answer that we just got for our total installment, plus the 90 will give us our total hire purchase price. So what will be our dollars? Now you're asked, what is the amount saved by buying the camera at cash price? What can we do? So we're going to subtract, and you are correct. So the amount saved is our hire purchase price minus our cash price. And remember, our hire purchase price that we just find, as Ms. Antonia said, okay, so we got our answer as what? $54. Well done. So right there for your CXC, you can get your 3 marks. Remembering what is involved in finding the total hire purchase price, and then using what we are given as the information to be able to calculate the amount saved if we are to buy the item using cash. So make sure you have this written down. I'm going to give you 1 minute to copy it down, the example. So this is your example. That's your example. Yes, well done. So, now that you have finished the example, you're going to get 2 that you're going to try. We're going to look at them one at a time. So you're going to try this one now. And you can use the example as a guide. Now you are told a company advertises the cash price of a computer at $4,800. If it is bought on hire purchase, the customer must pay a down payment of 10% of the cash price and then 12 monthly installments of $364 each. You are asked to calculate the total hire purchase price, which is 2 marks, and the amount saved by buying or purchasing the computer by cash. So you're going to get 3 minutes to do this. Let us see what you're going to do to complete it. But we're going to do it in parts. So for the first part, the total hire purchase price, I'm going to give you 2 minutes to do that part. So Miss Antoni, you have given us an answer. We're going to check and see if your answer is correct. So the deposit is 10% of the cash price for the computer. We should remember that 10% is written as 10 because percentage mean out of every 100 times our 4,800. 10 times dividing by 10 or we could even divide by 100. Divide by 100, 100 into 100 is 1. 100 into 48, 100 is 48. So 10 times 48 will give us our answer for our deposit, $480. So that part you are correct. Now, we know that we have to find our total monthly installment. And remind we need to write it in step. So now that we have found our total monthly installment, well done. So now that we have found our total monthly installment, we have to add it to our deposit. So our hire purchase price is our deposit plus our total installment. Our deposit is $480 plus, well done. And now we are going to the B part. Any question before we move into the B part, class? The B part, we are asked to calculate the amount saved by purchasing the computer by cash. Let me make sure I have cleared this part of the board because we have finished getting this part. Good. Excellent. Now, how much is saved? So, part B, amount saved. What do we have to do? Okay. Board is kind of damp today. Let me try this other marker. So amount saved is our hire purchase price minus our cash price. For part A, we found the hire purchase price as being $4,848. And what was our cash price in the beginning, class? What was our cash price? Good. $4,800. So simple subtraction. What do we have as our answer? Good. So Mr. Chandler, yes, we have to find the difference. And we're dealing with money, so it is just $48. And right there we get our answer. Well done to you. Any question based on this one that we just worked on together, class? No question. Silence is golden. Now we're going to attempt this next question. So, number 3, we are told A bicycle has a cash price of $319.95. It can be bought on hire purchase with a deposit of $69. Take note of the important information that we need. And 10 monthly installments of $28.50 each. Now this question has 3 different parts, unlike the first one that you did. It asks, what is the total hire purchase price? That's the first thing you are finding. The second part, find the difference between the hire purchase price and the cost price of the bicycle. And then you're going to include what we learned before with regard to percentage. You are asked to express your answer in part 2 as a percentage of the cash price. So you're going to have 3 minutes to get this done as well. Your time starts now. I'm glad to see so many of you are engaged, and I see a lot of different answers. We're going to see if they are correct. So to confirm your answers, part 1, we're asked to calculate the total hire purchase price. So deposit, we're giving it $69. The total installment is 10 times $28.50. So our total sum will be 200 and how much? $85. Well done. Now, for higher purchase price, referring to what we are told is the formula that you guys were able to deduce, what do we have to do? Add. Good. When we add them, paying cash. So the amount saved is our, as we found out before, is our higher purchase price. So I'll put HP. Good. $319.95. When we subtract those two, what do we get? Good. $34.05. For those who got that correct, a job well done to you. Now for the third part, can you read the third part for us? So we express it as a percentage, it will be $34.05 in relation to our cash price, which is $319.95. And when we are converting fractions to a percentage, who can recall what we have to do? Good, multiply by 100, well done. So on your calculator, you're going to put that in, 34.05 divided by $319.95, and then when you divide it, you multiply it by 100. And what do you get? Let us see if you can get this. Excellent, Miss James. So Miss James got 10.64. I remember we are dealing with percentage. So we can't just leave it at that. We have to put back our percentage sign. So 10.64, or we can write it as just being 10.6. So that is our answer for the question that we just looked at. Any questions so far? Okay, I'm glad that you guys are understanding it. And most of you got it correct. A job well done. Sean, you did well. Well, if they ask you to round it off to the nearest whole number, it will be 11%, but be mindful of the wording of the question. It did not ask you to round it off. So 11 percentage will be incorrect. It will be 10.64, or you can put 10.6. But make sure you state that you rounded it off. So now you're going to take note of your homework. So what is your homework for today? You are given 3 questions. The first one, the cash price of a laptop is $1,299. It can be bought on hire purchase by making a deposit of $350 and 10 monthly payments of $120 each. What is the total hire purchase price of the laptop? You're going to calculate that. And the second one, how much is saved by buying the laptop for cash? Make sure you note that down. I'm going to give you some time to write it. Next one, number 2, wonderful TV. I know most of you never saw TV look like that yet. You're too young for that. Anyhow, the hire purchase plan, we are told you pay down $60 and you have $55 to pay for 12 months. So we're going to read it. It tells us that Mr. Jones purchased the TV advertised in the diagram by using the hire purchase plan instead of paying cash. So you don't have the money to pay cash. Now we are told how much more than $600 does Mr. Jones pay by using the hire purchase plan. And pay attention to the diagram. You'll notice it gives you the information for the price of the TV, the cash price. And our final question, that's for your homework. The cash price of a dining set is $2,500. It can be bought on hire purchase by making a deposit of 15% of the cash price and 12 monthly installments of $190 each. Calculate the total hire purchase price of the camera, of the dining set, and the amount saved by buying the dining set at cash. So those are what you're going to be doing for your homework. So now let us sum up today's class. So to sum up today's class, we learned about another aspect of consumer arithmetic. We learned about hire purchase. It is a system used to purchase goods involving making a deposit or down payment, followed by regular installments being paid. And we also deduced the formula for finding the hire purchase price, which is the deposit plus our total installments. Now, for those persons that are interested in buying land and property in the future, you're going to see that hire purchase is closely linked to something else called mortgage. So pay careful attention. You're going to learn about that as we move into finding out about buying those items on another credit system. So that's it for today's class. Make sure to revise your notes and have an enjoyable day. Prepare for your next class.